Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back to you with another subscription crate from GetFPV, but this one is a little different. This is their sub 250 crate. Don't worry about that. And this is a new offering from GetFPV. It's supposed to target like the 3-inch crowd, sub 250 obviously. And if you don't know how these crates work, is eventually if you subscribe long enough, you'll build an entire quad out of just what comes in these boxes. So let's see what is in this crate. And I have stopped my 5-inch crate service in lieu of this one. And hey, while you're at it, before we open this up, could you please go down to the bottom and hit like and subscribe? That would greatly help me out. And if you really want to support me, head over to Patreon. I have tiers as low as $2, and I give away a lot of stuff over there. So let's see what we got in the box here. So it's very reminiscent of the 5-inch crate. We have the bubble wrap, little thank you card, some stickers, some Xylo stickers. I think this is GetFPV's in-house branding of products, so Xylo. So this is kind of a cool little sticker. Props in, props out. So looks like we're going to be targeting the 3-inch market. So these are 3 sets of HQ 3x3x3 props. I've used these before, and these are actually pretty good props if they are balanced well. Little trick for balancing that one Mr. Aaron Ciotti showed me is get yourself a piece of wire. This is just a piece of control rod. Stick your prop on there. Go ahead and turn your prop. See if it decides to fall in a particular direction, and these are pretty well balanced. So that's a good way to check for prop balance. Little tip there, thanks Aaron. All right, so only 2 things in a box, and by the way, these boxes are quite a bit less expensive than the 5-inch boxes. So we have the T-Motor Mini F7 flight controller. We have some gummies and some cables, some stickers, a QC thing, which I'm sure means absolutely nothing. And here's the flight controller. So it's an F7 flight controller. It's chock full of pads. Not all, well, they are all labeled, but really hard to see what they say on them. You can get an idea. But yes, this is a 20x20 with M3 mounting holes. So that's something to keep an eye on for 20x20 flight controllers and ESCs, is what size hardware they use. So this does use M3 hardware. I absolutely cannot stand M2 hardware. It's a pain in the butt to work with. But yeah, so nice little 20x20 flight controller. No instructions in the box, which is kind of the norm nowadays for flight controllers. Luckily, there is a little bit of silk screening on there, although it is pretty hard to read silk screening. So there we go, flight controller, 3 sets of props, some stickers, and a I don't know, a little thank you card. So quite a bit less in this box than the 5-inch boxes, but the price point's a little lower. So I'm expecting an ESC in another box, motors in the next box, a frame, a camera, a VTX. So I think over the span of about 6 boxes, so 6 months, you should have a complete quad built out of what comes in this box. But so for all of you that have stuck around this long, I ordered 2 of these, and I'm gonna give one away. So how do you enter to get one of these? First, like and subscribe. If you haven't done that, please do that. Head down into the video description, find a link to a Google Forms. Go ahead and fill out the information in there, and I will pick one lucky random winner. Probably, I don't know, say, let's see, what is today? Today's the 25th, so how about August 1st? August 1st, I'll pick a winner, and I'll send this guy out to you. If you're in the US, you know what? I'll go ahead and cover shipping. If you're outside of the US, I'm sorry, shipping is just ridiculous coming out of the US. You'll have to pay for shipping. So keep that in mind. Shipping rates out of the US are awfully expensive. But anyways, yeah, nice little crate. I kind of like what's in there. Unlike the 5-inch crates where there's always something where I'm just like, meh, This is all very useful, good stuff. So, I don't know, maybe we're onto something here. All right, folks, go ahead, like, subscribe, and click that link in the video description to get signed up to get yourself a free sub 250 crate. All right, folks, see you around. Keep flying. Bye.